You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I have not done a Dollar Tree haul in such a long time. I've still been going to Dollar Tree, but I just haven't been posting Dollar Tree hauls. So I do have quite a few items that I have picked up recently from the Dollar Tree. Some of the items I've actually just been holding for this haul video. So I didn't pick up everything all in one trip to the Dollar Tree. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I've picked up, and I found some new goodies at Dollar Tree, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with this big bag right here, and the first thing that I have here is just 2 wreaths. So I picked these up because you guys know I like to DIY my own wreaths for like the front door or decor within the house somewhere. So I picked these 2 up. These are called willow wreaths. There's the tag there. These are called willow wreaths. I did pick up 2 of them, so look for a DIY, probably like a spring wreath I'll do with those. And I did pick up some, the only floral that I picked up were these. And I just thought these were really cute. I'm thinking about making my own little floral arrangement with these. So these are called onion grass. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and I may go back to get more because I'm not for sure if this is going to be enough for the idea that I have in my mind. So yeah, so these are called onion grass if you're looking for these, and there's the tag there. That may be part of a DIY, so if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. And then I picked up this decorative rope, and this is a 13-foot rope. And I have another one of these that I've hauled before. I just need to find where it is because I have another DIY idea in mind for this. So I only picked up one because I knew I already had one. And so, yeah, these are definitely a steal if you can find these at Dollar Tree. And then the last thing in this bag is just a set of funnels. So this is a 3-piece set, but there's only 2 here because I had to use one of them for my car for some fluid. So yeah, so these I actually got to use in the kitchen, but I guess you can use them anywhere because I needed one for my car. But yeah, I thought this was a really good deal. You never need a funnel until you need a funnel. And I've realized that a couple of times in the past, and I didn't have a funnel when I needed one. So when I came across these at Dollar Tree, I was like, yeah, let me get that. Okay, so in this next bag here, I found this. I'd never seen this at Dollar Tree before, and it is a citrus juicer. And it just looks like this. They had these in different colors also. They had it in blue, I think pink, purple, maybe white, green, like a lime green color. And I thought this was really cute. You can use this to juice your own lemons, limes, oranges, or whatever. So I thought that was really cute. Or maybe to strain some pineapple juice or something like that. So I thought this was really cute, and it does have some little measurements on the side here. So I thought that was really cute for $1. I picked up a light bulb. This is just a 3-way light bulb. So it's only like 50 watts or something like that. Or it's 50, 100, and 150. So pick that up from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this bag here is just like stuffed to the max. It's actually starting to rip on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this bag here. And let's see, the first thing I have is just some of the Good Sense zipper seal, like Ziploc freezer storage bags. There are 12 bags in here, and that's pretty self-explanatory. The next thing I have is just some of the Gain dryer fabric sheets, and you get 15 sheets in here, and these smell so good. I love the fragrance of these. I usually use a liquid fabric softener, but you know, sometimes you miss the rinse cycle to put your liquid fabric softener in, so I always like to have some dryer sheets on hand. I picked up some of these Rice Krispie treats. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the pack, and these are special because they have M&M minis included in them. So yeah, I'm super duper excited to drop one of these in my lunch bag for work. The next thing I picked up is just some batteries. So I got some AAAs and some AA batteries, and I just needed these for my oil diffuser, so I picked those up at Dollar Tree. Oh, and I have more of the zipper seal. These are the slider seal bags. You get 20 in here. These are just sandwich bags. I like to get them at Dollar Tree for my lunches for work. Okay, and so for some new products that I found at Dollar Tree, of course I had to check and see what Bolero has going on at Dollar Tree. And I found the new face mask. It's a paper face mask. It's a nourishing face mask. And I'm super duper excited to try this one. It's French lavender and citrus. Says it's for all skin types, so that's a plus. And I picked up some more of the facial wipes. Now, I have hauled facial wipes from Bolero from Dollar Tree before, and I really like them. I really enjoy them, so I knew I had to pick up more. I'm down to like 1 pack of face wipes, and I'm halfway done with that one. So I figured I'd go ahead and pick up some more face wipes from Bolero at Dollar Tree. And these are the new ones. These are the coconut oil and sea salt facial wipes. It's a moisturizing and cleansing facial wipe, and it just looks like this. And there's 30 in here. It says they are paraben free and color free, so that is a plus. And I can't really smell it. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. Smells good. It has a light coconut scent, and yeah, it smells really good, nice and clean. So super duper excited to try these. One little tip that I'll give you guys about facial wipes: if you have a problem with them being like dry on top, store them upside down like this, and then all of the liquid that usually you know, lingers at the bottom will come down to the top. And so when you go to open up your face wipes, they'll be nice and full of product on the top there. So store them upside down like this, and that has helped me out a lot. Okay, so another new product that I found at Dollar Tree is this silicone face mask applicator. How cool is this? I'm so excited to try this out. How many times have you bought a face mask and you're like digging your fingers down in there, and it just seems like, you know, cross-contamination in a way? So this is what it actually looks like on the side here, and it's by the brand Spascriptions. So I was very excited to find this at Dollar Tree. It's one silicone mask applicator, precise, mess-free application, and easy to clean. So super duper excited to find this. I may go back and get another one just so I'll have one for like each facial mask that I have. But yeah, if you can find this at Dollar Tree, definitely pick one up. I picked up some more face wipes. These are the collagen makeup cleansing wipes. I never tried these before, but you know, why not? My skin could use some extra collagen, so I thought I would give these a try. And if it's something that I, you know, actually like and my skin likes it, then my Dollar Tree always has these, and I'll be sure to pick up more. This is by the brand Global Beauty Care, and like I said, my store always has these in stock, so I'll test those out and let you know what I think. So sticking with the face mask section of this video, I did pick up another of the Yes to Coconut face mask, and this is a DIY powder to clay moisturizing face mask. I've purchased these before, and so I always make sure to pick up another one every time I go, because for $1, that's just a good deal. This is a really good brand, and they have a really good product, and it works very well for my skin. It's 99% natural ingredients, so that's always a plus. It says it's for a moisture boost. You can mix it with yogurt, and to help smooth skin, mix with honey. For a vitamin C and radiance boost, mix with orange juice. To help energize tired skin, mix with lemon. To help nourish the skin, mix with avocado. And to help reduce redness, mix with green tea. So yeah, again, to go along with the all natural benefits you get from this for $1, I just think it's a steal. So I always make sure to pick up more of these at Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some hair mask. So this is by the brand Hask, which is a hair mask called Hask. And this is the Repairing Argan Oil Conditioning Treatment. And then I picked up the Nourishing Coconut Oil from Hask. And then this one is called Curly Tight. It's a curl enhancer with Abyssinian oil. And I've never heard of this oil before, but it's for extra strength. It's free of alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and dyes, and it's enriched with aloe and honey. It adds moisture and defines curls or waves. So I'm super duper excited to try this on my curly hair. And yeah, if you would like to see a review on this product, just leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you. Okay, we're almost done. The last couple of items that I have left in this bag is just kind of random items that I picked up. So this is a heart-shaped sequin keychain. I picked this up. Not sure if it flips. Oh, it does. So the colors flip from like a rose gold to a silver color. And I really like these just because it just feels good. It's very like satisfying. I don't know if you just need like something to do with your hands, kind of like the fidget spinner thing. It's just kind of satisfying. So I picked this cute little keychain up, and I picked up some headbands. These are the large headbands, or they're called head wraps here, but you get 6 in a pack. I really like these as a headband, but also as like a ponytail holder. My hair is just super duper thick, and a lot of times those smaller ones pop. So I've had them actually pop on my head while I'm wearing it, and that's just never a good situation to be in. So I actually like to use these. These are the kind of like the ouchless. They don't have like that metal band that pulls your hair in the back. So I always like to pick these up at Dollar Tree whenever I can find them. And I picked up this cute little gift bag. I just thought it was nice and simple, nice and plain, but I like the baby blue, powder blue color, and it's trimmed in white, as you can see here. But then I flipped it over, and on the bottom, you can see that this is actually a Hallmark gift bag, and it retails for $3.49. So the fact that I was able to get this at the Dollar Tree for $1 was a steal. I actually didn't realize that until I got home with it, and if I had known this in the store, I would have picked up more. I think this is the only color that I saw, or maybe they had one other color, maybe like a tan and white, something like that. But I thought this was a nice gift bag if you have, you know, like a man in your life that has a birthday or some type of event coming up and you need a gift bag for them. This would be a good gift bag for that. It has a nice blue satin ribbon as a handle at the top. And then on the inside, if I can show you here, it has like a little place to put like your card if you have like an envelope type thing right there, and it just says Hallmark on the front. And then these last two items that I have, they're actually not from Dollar Tree, but they were $1 at Big Lots. And the only reason I want to include this in this video is because I know a lot of people have hauled these from Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have them. But it's the same brand. It's the Global Beauty Care, and which is the same brand as the makeup wipes, makeup remover wipes I showed you earlier. So they do carry these at Dollar Tree, just my store didn't have it, but I found it at Big Lots for $1, as you can see right here. And so, but yeah, this is the Gold Gel Face Mask. It offers intense hydration to revitalize, smooth, and soften skin. It helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and it's a 15-minute facial therapy. So it's a gel face mask, and it's gold, and as you can see the color right here. And it says that it comes with a mask applicator inside, so that's a good, that's good right there. And then I also picked up the charcoal mask. So this is the charcoal gel face mask. And this one unclogs pores and lifts away impurities. And this one you leave on for 15 minutes as well. It says it's for all skin types. So I'm excited to try this one. The only thing I don't like about the charcoal mask or the purifying mask is that it unclogs your pores, which is a good thing, but then you get like these little breakouts, which is a good thing because it means all of the, you know, impurities are coming to the surface of your skin so you can get rid of them. But at the same time, your skin breaks out. So that sucks, but that just means it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I haven't actually tried these two yet, but I just wanted to mention it in this video because I know this is a brand that Dollar Tree carries, and I've seen other people haul these from Dollar Tree, just my store never had them. So if you're looking for these and your Dollar Tree doesn't have them, you may want to check Big Lots because they've got them and they're $1 at Big Lots as well. Okay guys, so that's going to be it. Those are all the items that I have for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to get out to your local Dollar Tree if you saw any items here that you need or have been looking for. I love to bring these videos to you guys so that you know what's available out there that you can get for only $1. So stay tuned and be sure to comment down below. Let me know if you would like me to update you on these DIYs that I mentioned with some of the products earlier in this video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.